Hello everyone, so welcome to this amazing platform of Pregby. So here we have this new series where we have interaction with topper. So today's topper is Ruhin and she has been studying at Pregby from the last 2 years. She enrolled in 2 years online match and she has secured all India rank 48 in PWD category. And she is going to pursue computer science at IIT Hyderabad. Now let us see her journey.
Hello.
Hi Ruhin,
Good morning, sir.
good morning. Yeah, please turn on your camera. Right. Okay, Rohin, so first of all, congratulations on getting computer science at IIT Hyderabad.
Thank you, sir.
With your sheer determination, you're able to achieve this feat. And Rohin, I kept this session. Just I want to record your journey, like what with all these adversities, like what it takes to get into one of the best college in India. Okay, so I'll be asking some cliche questions. I think you're okay with that.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Rohin, so the first thing I just want to know, at what point of time, like when did you really start your preparation for JEE?
On my own, I had started doing little bit in 9th, 10th,
Mm-hmm.
but actual preparation I started in 11th.
Okay, right. Right. So, okay, right. And the next thing I just want to know, like, what is your average day look like? Because when we are preparing for a competitive exam, so we have to devote some minimum hours toward the preparation. Yes, Rohin.
I devoted around 12 to 13 hours
Mm-hmm.
per day.
Per day. Okay. And if, subject-wise, like, can you share some breakup for that?
Actually, honestly, I did not have any particular thing like that. Whatever was required, based on that I did.
Okay, right. And which is your strongest area out of the 3 subjects?
Maybe physics.
Right. Okay, right. Right, Rohin. So these days there are lots of distractions, and we have to give up some things in life so to prepare for a competitive exam. So what are all things which you have to give up to score whatever you have achieved today? Yes, Rohin.
I did not have those many distractions also,
Mm-hmm.
but I love listening to audiobooks.
Uh-huh.
So that thing I had to definitely sacrifice a bit.
Mhm.
I made it a point to listen only one audiobook per week,
Okay.
which is for 1 hour on Saturdays. If my week I was able to utilize it fruitfully.
Okay, and while preparing for JEE, like how many audiobooks you have read? Listen. While preparing.
In 11th I did not read at all.
Mm-hmm.
12th, since there was lot to study even more,
Mm-hmm.
so it reached a burnout sometimes. So I listened only on Saturdays.
Mm-hmm.
Every Saturday I listen 1 hour.
Okay, and whenever you feel stressed, so what do you do? Usually, suppose you have not scored decent marks in a test. At that point of time, like, what things you do, like, to get keep your focus back on the studies?
First of all, it does lead to little demotivation when your marks reduces.
Mm-hmm.
But that did not. That instead of making me stop preparing,
Mm-hmm.
it made me prepare study even more. And definitely my parents also helped me in boosting my spirits at those times.
That's great. Right. So, and Ruin, usually for a competitive exam, like we have to cut out time with friends and family, right? It happens with most of the students. So, is it with you also?
Yes, I definitely had to minimize, my talking with friends and all. It depends. I did not cut that much also. But definitely compared to 9th and 10th, definitely a lot less. But yes, sometimes I did give time to my family and also a few of my friends. But because it also helps you relax and feel happy when in between your preparation when you are when you are dull.
Right. So, Rohin, what advice you would like to give to a student who is preparing this year? What is the ideal preparation strategy to crack advance?
Firstly, we need to be thorough with our basic concepts from our NCRT especially. And I have noticed during my preparation, the more questions you solve, the more the wider perspective you get while solving a new kind of question.
Right. Okay, and one very important question. So, the preparing for any competitive exam is very stressful. Sometimes it becomes very stressful because suppose you're not performing well in the test, you get stressed. And you have been through that journey. You have seen and you have cracked advance. And what advice would you like to give to the student who take this stress to a very high level and they end up doing some extreme steps? So, how they can ease the pressure, but at the same time study well and get good marks?
So one thing I had noticed in my 9th and 10th, in 9th and also I had studied for long hours, 10 to 11 hours per day. So that time also I realized in 10th, by the end of the year, I became extremely stressed. I lost interest over studies and all. But so 11th, 12th, I made it a point to devote at least some time per week on something I like and something that can help me relax. So whatever tight schedule you have, at least once a week, it's good to devote your time to something you like. It's like a treat to yourself for spending for using the week fruitfully. So that helped me a lot, and that's why I was able to go on studying for the entire 2 years.
So you set up a target for a day. If you're able to achieve that target, you're ready for the next day.
Yes.
Okay, and Rohin, again a cliche question, right? So getting into IIT, is it your own dream, or your parents wants you to pursue some good branch at IIT?
My parents never forced me for anything. So they were open to whatever I wanted to do. In fact, STEM subjects are rarely taken by visually impaired students. So they in fact told me that it's okay. If you don't take science also, it's okay. You can take up something like economics, humanities, and then become IAS or something. But it was my dream to get IIT.
Okay, and now you got your dream branch, computer science.
Yes.
And do you have any role model from the same industry? Like Satya Nadella is there, and other great personalities are there. Do you have any role model?
I actually had role models from my own community whom I spoke to and who guided me. And they also encouraged me that okay, you do computer science, because initially I had other plans. So they advised me to take this field.
Yeah, that's great. Okay, Rohin, so I'm already done with my questions. So I would like to congratulate you for whatever you have achieved in your life till date, and hope you do great things in life in future. Wish you all the best, and stay connected with Pragbee. Right.
Yes, sure.
Okay, bye-bye. Take care.
Bye, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay.